Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by installing Python 3.11 using Homebrew on your Mac. Install Visual Studio Code and open it. In Vscode, install the Python and Jupyter extensions from the Extensions view. Open Terminal and create a virtualenv by running Python 3 env. Activate the env with source env/bin/activate. Then run pip install Jupyter ipykernel pandas numpy matplotlib. Finally register the env as a kernel with Python m ipykernel install username env. Create a new file using File, then select Jupyter Notebook to save a ipinb. Click the kernel selector in the top right to choose Python 3.11 or your virtualenv kernel. Type code into a cell and press Shift plus Enter to run that cell. Use Run All to execute the entire notebook sequentially. View plots inline and inspect variables in the Variables pane. Use the interactive window to send code snippets from Py files into a live notebook. For reproducible environments, use conda envs and create kernels with ipykernel. If you run a remote server, open the command palette and select Jupyter. Specify Jupyter server URI. A local server commonly listens on http://localhost 8888, so copy that URI if prompted. To export, use the command palette and choose Export to HTML or Export to PDF for sharing. Commit ipinb files to Git and use Git integration in Vscode to track changes. Enable autosave or set an interval for safer edits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.